Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the chapter 1 walkthrough on the new Lana lore dress to impress update. So when you're in the game, you're just going to follow the flowers on the ground. As you can see, there's like there are white flowers on the ground, and you're just going to follow it until you've reached Lana's home. If you're still confused, you can just watch my walkthrough on this, and I'm like showing you the full walkthrough so that you can follow it step by step. And in a few moments, I will show you guys where all of the keys are, where all the items are. And it is like way more helpful if you play with a lot of friends than just one person, because the monster will chase you. At first, they like scared me, as like in chapter 2 as well. But the more I play it, it's less scary. And if you're scared of this but you still want to get the quest prize, I recommend you to just turn off the volume or turn it down a lot, and it will help. But it does help to have it on so you'll know like where the monsters are. So here, just follow the flowers, and here's Lana's house. And in the next clip, I will show you where the keys are. All right, so the first key is outside in this like barn area. You're just going to climb up these stairs and you're going to grab the first key, which is this blue key. The room is on the second floor. You're going to see me in a few seconds. I go up the stairs and I go to the room to the left and go to the room to the right. And it's like underneath the box, like the item, and it is a camera. So as you can see, it's here. You're just going to press E. You're going to go back to Lana's room. And then you're going to place it in a suitcase. I think the next is a pink key. Yeah, I grabbed the pink key, and the room is on the first floor to the right. Here, I'll show you in a minute when I escape this monster. It's right here. You're just going to go in that room. I think it's the laundry room, if I'm not mistaken. And you get the paint palette. Just go up here. And you're going to go back to Lana's room, and you're going to pack that paint palette in her suitcase, which I'm doing right now. I'm running for my life. Careful of the monsters. And the next key is, which one do I grab? Okay, I grab the purple key. The room is outside. It's like the garage, so go outside and go to this door here. And I think you're gonna get the teddy bear. You're going to grab the teddy bear and you're going to, yes, go back in the house with the scary monsters. And you're going to place it back in the suitcase. I think I died like twice here. 3 times or twice here. I don't remember. Here's me running again. Place it there. And then if I'm not mistaken, I grab the yellow key, which is like in the dining area on the floor. And the room is on the first floor, which is next to the pink one. It's the bathroom. And you're going to get the nail file and you're going to grab that. And it's like behind the trash can, by the way. Took me a long time to find that out. And you're just going to put it back in the suitcase once again, like so. And we have 2 more items. One of the key is here behind the tree. It is the green key and it leads to the attic. So if you're just going to go up the stairs, okay, go up, then go to the room to the left, and you're going to see there's like a ladder and you're going to unlock that door. I think you get like a book, if I'm not mistaken. It's like underneath the boxes. Not there. Here. And you're going to again pack it into Lana's suitcase. And we have one more red key. That's the last one. Don't worry. It is inside of a pot in the kitchen. There, next to the door. Go out and get into the basement. And you'll get, I don't know what you got here, honestly. I think it was another book, if I'm not mistaken. And that's me trying to find it because I don't remember where it is. It's like behind that dresser. Yeah, it's like another book. go up and then pack it, and you're done. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.